I need a tractor. I wonder what color I should get.
Welcome. How can I help you? All the tractors in our store are equipped with the latest technology. Which one would you prefer?
I like the red tractor. Don't you think it looks great? Yes, I really like this tractor. I'll take it.
Congratulations. Enjoy it in good days. Take care.
Honk, 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 honk. The horn on the tractor goes honk, honk, honk all day long. The plow on the tractor goes dig, 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 dig. The plow on the tractor goes dig, dig, dig all day long. The farmer on the tractor says, let's go work, let's go work. Let's go work. The farmer on the tractor says, let's go work all day long. The plow on the tractor goes dig, 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 dig. The plow on the tractor goes dig, dig, dig all day long. The farmer on the tractor says, let's go work, let's go work, let's go work. The farmer on the tractor says, let's go work all day long. Tractor says, let's go work, let's go work, let's go work. The farmer on the tractor says,